This video is for educational and defense awareness only. Our goal is to help you recognize threats and protect yourself from cyber attacks. Today, we're exposing the real tools hackers use to target Facebook accounts on Android devices. These include phishing apps, malicious links, and other methods designed to steal your data and compromise your privacy. We'll break down the attackers' favorite tools and how you can outsmart them. By understanding their strategies, you'll be much harder to fool. Hackers use automated brute force tools to break into Facebook accounts by rapidly trying thousands of password combinations. These tools target weak or common passwords and often attack mobile login endpoints, using proxies and VPNs to hide their location. If your password is simple or reused, you're at high risk. Hackers rely on people using passwords like 123456 or password. Attackers use VPNs and proxies to avoid detection and make their login attempts look like they're coming from different places. Facebook fights back with rate limiting, CAPTCHAs, and device fingerprinting to block these attacks. Use a strong, unique password and a password manager to protect your account. Avoid weak or common passwords. These are the first ones hackers try. If Facebook detects suspicious activity, your account may be temporarily locked to protect you. The best defense: use strong, unique passwords and enable two-factor authentication. Don't make yourself an easy target. Strengthen your passwords and stay secure. Now, let's talk about FB Brute, a script attackers run on Android using Termux. It automates login attempts, rotating user agents and proxies to look like different devices from all over the world. The real danger? Credential reuse. Attackers use leaked email password combos from other sites, betting you've reused them on Facebook. If you use the same password everywhere, you're at risk, even if your password is complex. FB Brute isn't magic, it just exploits bad habits. Use a unique password for every account. Password managers make this easy. Don't let one breach open the door to your entire digital life. Dark FB takes brute force a step further by stealing your access token, the digital key that keeps you logged in. If attackers get your token, they can control your account even after you change your password, until the token expires. They can read messages, post as you, and scrape your data. That's why Facebook lets you see where you're logged in. If you suspect a breach, log out of all sessions immediately. This kills stolen tokens and locks out attackers. Session security is critical. Don't ignore it. Always monitor your active sessions. Phishing is about tricking you into handing over your password. Tools like FB Fisher create fake Facebook login pages that look real. Attackers send you urgent messages with links. One click, and you're on their fake page. Enter your credentials, and they're stolen instantly. Some scripts even steal your session data, logging in as you without you noticing. Always check the URL before entering your password. If it's not facebook.com, close the tab. Skepticism is your best defense. Don't let urgency cloud your judgment. Once attackers have your credentials, automation tools like AutoFB take over. These bots log in, scrape your data, and can send spam or malicious links to your friends, all in minutes. Automation turns your account into a weapon for spreading scams. Facebook fights back with bot detection, but attackers add random delays to mimic real users. The risk isn't just losing your account, it's your reputation and your friends' safety. Enable two-factor authentication to make stolen credentials useless. Watch for suspicious activity on your account. Act fast if you see anything strange. Don't let a bot use your identity. FaceHack is all about credential stuffing, using leaked username password combos from other breaches to break into Facebook. Attackers run massive lists through automated scripts, hoping you reused a password. Some tools even solve CAPTCHAs automatically, making them relentless. The only real defense: unique passwords for every account. Assume any password you use elsewhere could be leaked. Use a password manager to keep track. If you reuse passwords, you're a sitting duck. Don't make it easy for attackers. FB Cracker X targets old, leaked databases, cracking password hashes offline. If you used the same password years ago on a weakly protected site, attackers can crack it and try it on Facebook. Offline attacks are invisible to Facebook's defenses. The danger lingers for years if you reuse passwords. Regularly update your passwords, especially for critical accounts. Never reuse old passwords. The ghosts of past breaches can still haunt you. Change passwords often and keep them unique. Don't let history repeat itself. Phantom FB and similar tools hijack your session right on your device. Malicious apps can overlay fake login screens or steal session tokens from your phone's memory. With your token, attackers impersonate you, no password needed. Only install apps from trusted sources and check permissions carefully. Draw over other apps is a red flag. Avoid apps that ask for it without reason. Be skeptical of apps that want access to contacts, storage, or system features. Vigilance with app permissions is your first line of defense. Don't let malware get a foothold. Protect your device like your life depends on it, because your digital life does. Not all attacks break in, some just collect what you share publicly. FB Group Scraper automates gathering names, profiles, and public info from Facebook groups. Attackers use this data for targeted phishing, identity theft, or spam. If your profile is public, you're an easy target. Review your privacy settings. Limit what strangers can see. Set posts, friends lists, and info to friends only or more restrictive. The less you share, the safer you are. Don't make yourself a target for data scrapers. Attackers don't need to be experts. Today, anyone with a smartphone and a bit of curiosity can access powerful hacking tools. The days when cybercrime required deep technical knowledge are long gone. Now, with just a few taps, even beginners can launch sophisticated attacks. Termux FB tool bundles put powerful scripts in anyone's hands. These bundles are collections of pre-made hacking tools packaged for easy use on Android devices. They're designed to be user-friendly, so even those with little experience can get started quickly. These toolkits offer menus for brute force, phishing, scraping, and more, all from an Android phone. With simple interfaces, users can select their attack method, input a target, and let the scripts do the rest. It's as easy as using any other app. It's a plug-and-play hacking suite, lowering the bar for cybercrime. The accessibility of these tools means that more people than ever before can participate in attacks, regardless of their background or skill level. Attackers can quickly switch tactics, moving from one tool to another in seconds. This flexibility allows them to adapt to defenses and exploit new vulnerabilities as soon as they appear. They can scrape targets for information, phish unsuspecting victims, brute force passwords, and even hijack active sessions. Each step is automated, making attacks faster and more efficient than ever before. This is why attacks spread so fast. With automation and easy access, a single attacker can target hundreds or thousands of victims in a short time, causing widespread damage. Our defense must be just as layered. Strong passwords, skepticism about suspicious messages, privacy controls, and constant vigilance with every app we install or permission we grant. Don't underestimate the threat. These tools are everywhere, and attackers can blend in with everyday users. Anyone could be a target, and the risk is always present. Stay ahead by locking down every layer of your security. Use biometric locks, enable two-factor authentication, and keep your software up to date to close off potential entry points. One weak link is all it takes for an attacker to break through. Even a single overlooked setting or reused password can open the door to your data. Make sure you have none. Review your security settings regularly. Stay informed about new threats, and remember, your vigilance is your strongest defense. You've seen the attacker's playbook. Now use it to build your defense. Strong, unique passwords, two-factor authentication, and skepticism are your best weapons. Never use these tools for attack. Doing so is illegal and traceable. Many have ruined their lives by crossing the line. Share this knowledge to protect others, but never use it to harm. Your security is in your hands. Stay safe, stay skeptical. Thanks for watching.